Hello and welcome to MediDharti.com. I am Kunjana Thani. Real estate, the darling of investors, seems to have lost considerable steam over the last 12 months. Setting up a new trend is Alpha G Corp, which has launched several new projects during this period of slowing demand. And to talk more about his company's ambitious plans, we have with us Mr. K Sayal, CEO of Alpha G Corp. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
To begin with, please tell us something about your company and the projects you are currently handling.
Our company is a very young real estate organization. We started this company around 4 years back. And this is the only professional platform in the country, unlike any typical real estate development companies you see in this country. And we have taken up many projects, mainly into the retail segment. We develop only big format retails, being an FDI company. And we are developing integrated township projects. To begin with, we have got an Amritsar retail project, Punjab's largest retail development. Then we have got a retail development in Ahmedabad. We are developing integrated townships of 300 acre plus in Karnal. We are developing township in Amritsar, in Jaipur, in Fatehabad, in Kurukshetra. So likewise, company has taken up many more projects.
Your company's focus appears to be on Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. Why is that?
Basically, development has to move on to all these cities. India is a big country. Everybody doesn't live in Tier 1 cities. Our people are going abroad with the economy booming. So the people who are living in Tier 2 and Tier 3 city also have ambitions to live in good places and to shop in the nice retail malls. We realize a big demand in those cities. That's why we have moved to these cities.
Sir, has the high interest rate environment dented the demand for your projects?
High interest rates actually affect, the selling in the market, but the kind of projects we are doing, we are at the best locations. We are sold out before we come out with a project in the market. We don't see, it's a project specific. You can't generalize this.
Do you think the real estate market has corrected, or do you anticipate further weakness in the months to come?
It's not only in India context. Globally, I think the economy is softening. So is the impact on the real estate. I think India is a bit insulated because our economy is growing at very fast rate. And China and India are two economies where still, we are holding ground. And we hope that market will remain firm in the years to come.
Looking ahead next 3 to 5 years, what geographical markets would you suggest investing in?
We are already, as a Alpha G Corp, present pan-India. And our focus is basically on the metros and the city adjoining metro. And we see that overall demand is going to remain in all these cities.
Do you feel some unscrupulous developers may have taken investors and end users for a ride?
You keep on reading in papers. That's why I said that real estate has been very highly disorganized. Anybody and everybody who has got money got into this business without even buying land, without even getting licenses and approvals. They got into the business. And government is also putting legislation to book these people.
In your view, has the government been supportive of the RE sector?
Government, after the FDI opening up, FDI was opened up particularly to invite investment into the country. That was a big boon from the government side. And the more legislation, as you said, to book, these kind of developers, I think government is putting a lot of pressure on that. Even the real estate organizations are there like CREDAI and NAREDCO. And we are going to the government, pressurizing government that there should be legislation and there should be legitimate way of carrying out this business.
What do you feel is the impact of PE funds and institutional money in driving real estate prices in the country?
Real estate buoyancy has been in this country from the last 2-3 years when the PE money started coming in. But we have not been able to get sizable amount of PE money because the kind of operations our typical development companies were into. It has definitely got impact on the pricing. And in the years to come, we see that entire world is eyeing India and people are all full load of money to invest in this country, seeing that economy is booming and there are great prospects.
In the current environment, are you nervous, cautious or upbeat as a real estate investor?
As I told you, we are a professional platform operating in this country and we have always performed better in the soft markets. Because in the buoyant market, you don't need experts. The multi keep on multiplying of its own. You need experts only when the markets are soft. And I think now is our time.
Thank you so much for speaking with us, sir.
Thanks. Thank you.